flying just like everybody else. You want to get there as quickly and as safely as possible. So they do exploit it, but it influences your weather. But it's not the main wind that you experience when you're walking around outside. The main winds on our planet are the easterly trades, the prevailing westerlies, and the polar easterlies. And what you have to remember is because of the way the Earth is rotating in that tilted axis and the Coriolis effect, it is rotating to the right in the northern hemisphere, to the left in the southern hemisphere. And its purpose, as the ocean is heating the atmosphere, is to distribute the atmospheric heat from hot to cold. To try and regulate the temperature of the planet effectively. Now, when the air gets interfacing with the ocean, it transitions to storm generation and creation. Which is why we're going there. So the other winds that you might hear mentioned are the doldrums, which is ITCZ, the horse latitudes, and a polar front. Okay? If you were to look at a color-coded thing with insulation, the ocean, how the deflection is going, and the winds, and then you overlay with your countries, you will see how it's influenced climate and how those currents move around each obstacle. If you were to actually put that to words, you can see what the climate for those areas are. You can see how the atmospheric cell, when it picks up the characteristics of the ocean, will actually give a climate of a certain amount between different latitudes on our planet. Why am I going through all that nonsense? Because we're going to spend time looking at storms. These are all the major storms that come out of the ocean. Now, a storm surge isn't a storm, but it gets its own little line reference because during a hurricane, it precedes a hurricane's arrival, and that's what does the most damage to a low-lying coastal area.